Hey everybody, we're going to do some repairs on the TE250i. Specifically, we're going to repair the FMF factory pipe. As you can see, it has a few dents in it from the last couple months of riding, especially the Utah trip to Moab and 5 miles of hell. You can see my videos on that, but a few other rides. Overall, the pipe is looking good, but want to get these dents out. I popped most of these dents out a few months ago also, but we've got some more on here. So today we're going to try to get those out and get the TE250i looking better in regards to the pipe. So what do we need for this repair? We got a few things here we're going to be using. Got rubber gloves, probably need more than one set of those. Got the Scotch-Brite pad and some WD-40 for getting all the rust and dirt off the pipe, and got an attachment for the drill that we might need, Rust-Oleum. And then once we go to repair the pipe, we got the pipe repair kit here, stored in a nice Amazon box, and we'll hook that up to the pipe once we get it off. And of course we got the propane to use, and hopefully we'll get this pipe looking better. The only other thing we need is the Crash Hard Enduro t-shirt, great for working on anything. Okay, one trick I've learned to get these pipes off is to use a zip tie, and just put the zip tie in here. Hopefully stretch the spring off. There it goes. And voila, your spring is off with the zip tie. It is. Got the pipe off. Check out all the dents we're going to repair and the rust. So let's get to it. Now that we have the pipe off, you can see that I have a string attached to my roof of my garage, and I just use that to hold the pipe while I'm heating it up and taking out the dents. So I'm going to do that, string up this pipe. Now we got the air pressure gauge on the pipe, and we got the valve for air inlet on the pipe. We haven't fully tightened them, but we've tightened them down enough. And we're going to pressurize the system to 30, 35, 40 psi and see if we got any leaks, and if not, then we'll tighten these down a little bit more. Okay, now that we've checked all for leaks, we put it up to about 30, 35. Checked for leaks. I retightened what I needed to, not too tight, and I'm ready to go air it up and start using the propane torch to get these dents out right here. Let's go. Pipe
blown out as best as we could. We could never quite get everything out, no matter how high I heat it or pressurize it. So there's still some bend out here, some dents. But we're gonna spray it down with Rust-Oleum and get some of this junk off of it. Okay, I got the pipe all cleaned up. There's the end result. Didn't get all of it off, but probably will take it off again, heat it up, put it back on the bike, see how it goes. But that's the result of the dents. I couldn't quite get these out no matter how hard I heated it up and pressurized it, so we'll leave it as it is. Especially on these seams, it's hard to get. But that's what it looks like. So we got the pipe back on the bike and got it all ready to go. Let's see what it looks like now compared to what it was before. You can see some of the dents are gone. This one I could never get out, and that one also. But it's nice and shined up, ready to go. And we'll see how long that lasts. Probably not long. Going righty maybe this weekend. But yeah, it's a good way to clean the pipe and get it blown out. Now it's time to go ride the TE250i.